This person wants to know, hey Frank, a customer has asked me to strip and wax a floor. I have never done it before. How should I go about it, and where should I go? So this, if I was to answer this question, it'll be pretty lengthy. So this is what I'll tell you. Has the floor been stripped, waxed before? If it has not been waxed before, it's a good thing for you. So you need to find out from the customer. They should know their floor history. Find out as much information about the floor as much as you can. Now go to Home Depot. Make sure the Home Depot has a 2 rental unit. There are 2 sections that you're going to go into Home Depot. The 2 rental unit, right? The 2 rental department. And I'm not talking about the Home Depots that just rent out the carpet cleaning machine. I'm talking about a real 2 rental unit. And then the cleaning area. So for the 2 rental unit, you want to rent out a wet vac, a floor machine, or what we call a floor buffer. Make sure that you tell them that. And you want to buy a black pad. All right, a black or green pad. That is what we use for vinyl floors. I'm assuming this is a vinyl floor, right? After you get that, you can either rent it for half of a day or the whole day. I'll leave that to you. Go to the cleaning section and buy Simply Green if the floor has never been waxed before. The green and white gallon. You can get a 1 gallon. You can get a bigger gallon. I will leave that to you as well. And get a ZEP floor finish, right? However, if the floor has been waxed before, if they put polish on it before, then you should get ZEP floor stripper, right? The floor stripper is normally in it depends. Sometimes it's in the yellow 1 gallon or the big white clear 5 gallon, and then get a floor finish. So now the other thing you need is, and I'm sure you have this, is a mop bucket and a mop. I will also suggest that you get a flat mop and a flat mop bucket. You use that for the waxing, and I could make a separate video for that. Those are the things that you need. Listen, for the corners, I would say that if you can get one of those scrubs, like those bristle brush that you don't need to bend down to scrub, like you can stand, get that, because you need that to scrub along the corners, because the floor machine does not really get into the corners, right? So that is what you need. A Home Depot that has a 2 rental unit, right? So you get your black or green pad, you get your wet vac from there, you get your floor scrubber, and then you go to the cleaning section of the same Home Depot, get a bristle brush that you can stand and scrub. I don't believe in people squatting and getting on your, no, we don't need, we need you to be around for a while, right? Get a Simply Green degreaser, the white and green one, if the floor has never been waxed before. But if the floor has been waxed before, get a floor stripper, and regardless of whether the floor has been waxed or it has never been waxed before, you definitely need a floor finish. That's what we call the wax, right? A mop bucket and a mop, a flat mop and a flat mop bucket, right? There are some people that can do the waxing with a regular mop bucket. You're not that experienced, I wouldn't tell you to do that. Get the flat mop and the flat mop bucket, and those are the tools that you need. If you want to know the procedure that you need to do the floor, comment strip, and I'll be able to send you the written procedure, and you'll be able to have a successful floor strip and wax. I hope this was helpful. See you around.